What if you can build your dream business and make $13,000 online without having to force yourself every day on LinkedIn and Instagram, cold DMing people you don't want to cold DM, sending emails you don't want to send, or pretending to be someone you're not just to get clients online? I tried all the fancy marketing tactics and joined all of your favorite gurus coaching programs, but every single one of them felt fake and kind of pushy. It's just not my vibe. Plus, I'm a father of two. I really cannot hustle day in and day out posting content every day. Until I came back full circle and I realized the one simple path that works for me to get high ticket clients. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing what that 3-step process looks like so you can get high ticket clients online too without having to cold DM people, sending cold emails, posting every day on LinkedIn or Instagram. By the way, if you want to skip the trial and error, join my school community below. And if you want to move even faster, you can work with me one-to-one, book a call with me. Both of these links are down below. All right, back in 2023, I joined a agency bro coaching program. I paid a lot of money for this, like $8,000. Not worth it. Basically, they teach you how to do cold email because they own the cold email software and that's how they get people to use their software. There's just too many people doing cold email, and that's where you have to do ridiculous offers like, I'll add $50,000 in your business in 3 months or your money back. They have to come up with something ridiculous like that to get people's attention and reply. And let's say they went through all the sales process and the guy agrees, right, at the end of it. Then they would have a stipulation, a document that the client has to sign. When you read the document, it outlines, oh, in order to qualify for the guarantee, you need to do this, you need to do that. Basically, you're never going to get your money back. I don't like this approach. I think, first of all, you're attracting people that needs guarantees in the first place, which are often the worst type of clients. And second of all, you're lying to them. The claim is like, I'm gonna add $50,000 in 90 days or your money back. Let's be honest, most of you will never make that kind of money that quickly. And the people selling these offers know that too. So that's why they add the stipulation. You can't get the money back if you don't do this long list of to-dos. Essentially, you're never gonna get your money back. You're lying to the client. So why don't you just tell the client up front, this is not a refundable thing because I'm not going to guarantee you're going to get $50,000. I only work with people who believe in this thing and believe that I am the person that can help them. So cold emails out of there. Then in 2024, I joined this guy. He's really good on LinkedIn and he's really good with email marketing. This whole year I did LinkedIn, I tried. My follower went slightly up. But what I don't like about LinkedIn is that you have to post every day. So basically you got to add people there as connection and then you got to cold pitch them, which is really sleazy. And then the guy who's going to accept you, they know you're going to pitch them, especially if your LinkedIn bio says, I help business owner. Like, okay, this guy's going to pitch me, right? So here's the thing about LinkedIn. You have the list of target clients that you're trying to target on LinkedIn. They're actively posting on LinkedIn. When you're starting out, you're supposed to be commenting on these big dogs because it will help you get impression. But here's the thing, those big dogs, they hire an agency or a copywriter, a ghostwriter, or they use AI to write the post. So it's not even them. And if you look at the comment section where other people comment on big creators because they also want to get reach, they are all AI generated. It's just AI slop. It's just stuff that you would never say in real life. The whole thing feels fake. But anyway, let's say LinkedIn works for you. The game plan is to get people from LinkedIn into your email list. So once you're on the email list, you got to write emails once a day, a couple of times a week or whatever to promote whatever it is your offer is to make money. The problem with that is I only have 200 subscribers in my email list. If you have such a small amount of subscribers like I do, running a 7-day email campaign to promote something is just not gonna work it. Like nobody's gonna buy anything. It's gonna be worth your time. So you gotta figure out how to make like 5,000 email subscribers, then you can run some email campaign. And you gotta make sure the 5,000 people that go into your email list are highly qualified, they're not your competitor, and they're not time wasters. So that depends back to your content that you post out there. Right. And I really reevaluated what I have to do to make money online. I'm a father too. I work from home. My kids are there. And sometimes I just have to pay attention to them, you know, so I can't just hustle all day. Here's what I found out. This is the strategy that works for me. I'm going to share with you my iPad here. Can you see this? So basically, this is the system that will convert attention into clients. I'm going to get my highlighter here. Instead of trying to chase people to buy our stuff, we create something and they are attracted to us, which is content. Out of all the content we can do, content is in the awareness stage. We want people to be aware of what we do. I chose YouTube video as the platform of choice. YouTube is by far the best. I got most of my clients from YouTube. I think it's also the easiest to do because it's just talking like this. And I don't have to pretend to be somebody I'm not. I could just be myself. This is the path. So when you create YouTube videos, you have links underneath each YouTube video. And on that link, you get people to either join your email list or join your school community. When people are aware that you exist and what you do, they may be curious. Like, all right, I want to know more about this guy or what this guy is selling. Then they enter your email list or join your school community. I have both. I'm trying to test to see which one of these two will work better for me. Once they are in this community, this is a control thing. You have power to talk to them directly, right? So from here, give them value, you teach them more stuff, then promote your offer. Your offer could be one-to-one coaching, consulting thing, or it could be a done-for-you thing. So for example, I help people grow their business with YouTube. Some people, they just want consulting. Maybe some people want accountability, so they want coaching with me so they could actually record videos. And some people like, hey, I really like your landing page, but I really don't want to do it myself. So different clients will have different needs. And I think having a menu of what to sell to different people would increase your chances of making more money in the future. The beauty of YouTube is that they don't necessarily have to go this path. Sometimes when people watch your video, they're ready to work with you right away. They're convinced, all right, this is my guy. You can go straight up to the offer. It happened to me. If you look here, these are the call to action. This is what you're going to say inside the YouTube video. Underneath each video, I would have 3 links. Opt into my email list. If you want this thing, opt in here. If you want to learn in a group community, join my school group. If you want to skip all that and just work with me one-to-one, book a call with me. And that's how we know if we both aligned to work together. When people are in my email list or school, I either promote another YouTube video, so the video will help to sell me and my vibe, or straight up to book a call. So is this making sense? So I find that this system, sometimes people call funnel, I don't like that word, but basically this is what it is. It's you create YouTube videos, I drop Instagram, I drop LinkedIn. I think it's not worth my time. Because when I use a software to track where do people opt into my email, they all came from YouTube. There are some people from LinkedIn and Instagram. It's such a small percentage of the whole thing. It's just not worth my time. So I dropped it completely and I just focus on YouTube, long form specifically. Does this make sense? This is how the complete system to make money online. And you probably have a follow-up question. So Helmi, what kind of videos should we do to get people attention in the first place? Lucky for you, I have the exact video for that right here.